हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ RRB ग्रुप डी टॉप 50 जनरल साइंस क्वेश्चंस। इस सेट को मैंने प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स एनालाइज करके बनाया है। इस सेट में कुछ ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस है जिस क्वेश्चन के इस बार आने के लगभग 100% चांसेस है। वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहिए। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in which part of the human body are villi present? Option A, eye, B, kidney, C, liver, D, small intestine. So the right answer is D, small intestine. Next question, which hormone is particularly high in fruits? Option A, cytokinin, option B, gibberellin, option C, abscisic acid, option D, auxins. So the right answer is option A, cytokinin. Next question. If the focal length of a spherical mirror increases to double, then the radius of curvature of the mirror will, option A, remain the same, option B, increase to 4 times, option C, increase to double, option D, increase to half. So the right answer is option C, double. Increase to double. Our next question is, from the options given below, select the organism having a 3-chambered heart. Option A, pigeon, option B, fish, C, salamander, 4, tiger. So the right answer is option C, salamander. Next question, the sky appears blue due to, option A, scattering of light of lower wavelength, option B, dispersion of light of lower wavelength, option C, dispersion of light of higher wavelength, option D, scattering of light of higher wavelength. So the right answer is scattering of light of higher wavelength. So this is also one of the important questions, so please note it down. Next question, what is the unit of magnification? Option A, dioptry, option B, Newton, option C, cm, option D, it has no unit. So the right answer is option C, option D, it has no unit. Next question, what happens when aqueous silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride solutions? Option A, brown precipitation of silver chloride is produced. Option B, yellow precipitation of silver chloride is produced. Option C, no precipitation of silver chloride is produced. Option D, white precipitate of silver chloride is produced. So the right answer is option D, white precipitate of silver chloride is produced. Next question, words are caused by, option A, algae, option B, fungus, option C, virus, option C, bacterium. So the right answer is option C, virus. Next question, 9. In which of the following animals does the body temperature not depend on the temperature in the environment? So this is the one of the most important question of this set. So please note it down. Option A, fishes and mammals. Option B, birds and some reptiles. Option C, birds and fishes. Option D, birds and mammals. So the right answer is option D, birds and mammals. Please note it down. Next question, select the correct pair of semi-metals amongst the following elements. Option A, carbon and nitrogen. Option B, sulfur and phosphorus. Option C, silicon and germanium. Option D, hydrogen and helium. So the right answer is option C, silicon and germanium. Next question, the common domestic power supplied in India is given by which of the following? Option A, 110 volt 60 Hz. Option B, 220 volt 100 Hz. Option C, 110 volt 50 Hz. Option D, 220 volt 50 Hz. So the right answer is option D, 220 volt 50 hertz. This is also the one of the important questions, so please note it down. Next question. What is the effect of the bile salts in the digestion of food? Option A, they break up fat globules into small globules. Option B, they activate lipases to begin digestion of proteins. Option C, they contains fat digestive enzymes called lipases. Option D, they digest fat globules to release fatty acids. So the right answer is option A, they break up fat globules into small globules. Next question. In plaster of Paris, option A, 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 2 molecule of water. Option B, 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 1 molecule of water. Option C, 1 formula unit of CaSO4 has 1 molecule of water. Option D, 2 formula units of CaSO4 share half molecule of water. So the right answer is 2 formula units of CaSO4 share 2 molecule of water. Option A. Next question. As per Mendel's experiment with pea plants, tallness was called a dominant trait compared to shortness because dash. Option A, a plant was tall regardless of whether it had one gene allele or 2 genes alleles for tallness. Option B, in all organisms, including peas, tall individuals are more common than short individuals. Option C, the symbol for the gene for tallness was T, while the symbol for the gene for shortness was small t. Option D, tall plants are larger in size than short plants. So the right answer is option A, a plant with tall regardless of whether it had one gene allele or 2 genes alleles for tallness. So this is also one of the most important question of this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Next question. Cyanide poisoning causes death in seconds because it denatures enzymes of the heart muscle. It breaks the electron transport chain. It causes LYS is of red blood cells. It causes cardiac arrest. So the right answer is option D, it causes cardiac arrest. Next question. Gestation period in human is around dash days. This is also one of the important questions, so please note it down. So option A 30, option B 120, option C 270, option D 360. So the right answer is option C 270. Next question. Which of the following can be found as pollutants in the drinking water in some parts of India? Arsenic, sorbitol, fluoride, formaldehyde, uranium. Option A, B, D, and E. Option B, A, B, C, D, and E. Option C, A, C, and E. Option D, A, and C. So the right answer is option C, A, C, and A. Arsenic, fluoride, and uranium. Next question. The term brown air is used for, this is also one of the important question of this set, so please note it down. Number A, acid fumes. Option B, photochemical smoke. Option C, sulfurous smoke. Option D, industrial smoke. So the right answer is option B, photochemical smoke. Next question. Tachycardia is a condition characterized by option A, heart rate decreases from the normal. Option B, heart rate increases from the normal. Option B, C, heartbeat stops. Option D, heart fails to pump. So the right answer is option B, heart rate increases from the normal. Next question. In which of the following water bodies can one float without even trying to swim? Option A, Caspian Sea. Option B, Red Sea. Option C, Dead Sea. Option D, Sea of Japan. So the right answer is option C, Dead Sea. Next question. The process of making soap is called option A, saponification. Option B, condensation. Option C, water electrolysis. Option D, vaporization. So the right answer is option A, saponification. Next question. The lightest gas in the atmosphere is, this is also one of the important question for this set, so please note it down. Option A, hydrogen. B, nitrogen. C, oxygen. D, none of this. So the right answer is option A, hydrogen. Next question. Which law of physics makes a perpetual motion machine impossible? Option A, first law of thermodynamics. Option B, second law of thermodynamics. Option C, third law of thermodynamics. Option D, first and second law of thermodynamics. So the right answer is option D, first and second law of thermodynamics. Next question. The gravitational force on moon is decreased by what factors as composed to the earth gravitational force? This is also one of the most important question for this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A, 1 by 4. Option B, 1 by 5. Option C, 1 by 6. Option D, 1 by 8. So the right answer is option C, 1 by 6. Next question. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of option A, bicarbonates of calcium or magnesium. Option B, chloride or sulfates of calcium or magnesium. Option C, fluorides of calcium or magnesium. Option C, bicarbonates of magnesium or calcium. So the right answer is option B, chloride or sulfates of calcium or magnesium. Next question. What is the oxidation number of C in C12S22O11? Option A, 0. Option B, +5. Option C, +1. Option D, +3. So the right answer is option A, 0. Next question. Which orbitals are overlapped from the sigma bond? Option A, SS orbital. Option B, sp orbital. Option C, pp orbital. Option D, all of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Keep that on your mind when they given option all of the above. So every time the right answer is all of the above. So next question. What is the functional group in methanol? Option A, carboxylic acid. Option B, ketone. Option D, aldehyde. Option D, alcohol. So the right answer is option C, aldehyde. Next question. This is also one of the important question of this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Brass gets discolored in the air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? Option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen sulfide. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, nitrogen. So the right answer is option B, hydrogen sulfide. Next question. Which of the following metals forms an amalgam with other metals? Option A, tin. Option B, mercury. Option C, lead. Option D, zinc. So the right answer is option B, mercury. Next question. This is also one of the important question of this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide or oxygen. So the right answer is number A, nitrogen. So the next question is, which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? This is also the important question of this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A, methane. Option B, nitrous oxide. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, hydrogen. So the right answer is option D, hydrogen. Next question. Bromine is a option A, black solid. Option B, red liquid. option C colorless gas, option D high inflammable gas. So the right answer is option B red liquid. Next question. Which animal nerve drinks water? Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? This is also one of the most important question of this set, so please note it down or remember this. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Option A kangaroo, option B hippopotamus, option C rat, option D kangaroo and rat. So the right answer is option D kangaroo rat. Next question. Dash is the longest cell. Option A nerve cell, option B skin, option C spleen, option D none of the above. So the right answer is option A nerve cell. Next question. What is the lifespan of RBC? This is also one of the most important question of this set. Option A 130 days, option B 110 days, option C 100 days, option D 120 days. So the right answer is option D 120 days. Next question. Which is the vertebrate that has two-chambered heart? Option A fish, option B snake, option C blue whale, option D crocodile. So the right answer is option A fish. Next question. Which of the following was to be discovered first in the chromosphere of the sun? Option A krypton, option B xenon, option C neon, option D helium. Right answer is option D helium. Next question. Which of the following is used in pencils? This is also important question, so please remember this. Option A graphite, option B silicon, option C charcoal and option D phosphorus. So the right answer is option A graphite. Next question. Potassium nitrate is used in option A medicine, option B fertilizers, option C salt, option D glass. This is also the important question, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Potassium nitrate is used in option B fertilizers. Next question. Soda water contains option A carbon dioxide, option B sulfuric acid, option C carbon dioxide, option A is carbonic acid, option C carbon dioxide and option D nitrous acid. So the right answer is option C carbon dioxide. Next question. Production of chlorofluorocarbons gas, which is proposed to be banned in India, is used in which of the following domestic products? So this is also one of the most important question of this set, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A television, option B refrigerator, option C tube light, option D cooking gas. So the right answer is option B refrigerator. Next question. Bell metal is an alloy of option A nickel and copper, option B zinc and copper, option C brass and nickel, option D tin and copper. So the right answer is option D tin and copper. Next question. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water because option A it is a sterilizing agent, option B it dissolves the impurities of water, option C it is a reducing agent, option D it is an oxidizing agent. So the right answer is it is an oxidizing agent. Next, what is the largest human cell? This is one of the most important questions. Please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A liver, option B skin, option C spleen, option D ovum. So the right answer is option D ovum. Next question. There are dash number of muscles in human. This is also the important one, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A 638, option B 637, option C 639, option B 640. So the right answer is 639. Next question. Which of the following liquid which of the following is in liquid form at room temperature? Option A, lithium. Option B, sodium. Option C, francium. Option D, cerium. So the right answer is option C, francium. Next question. Chemical formula of water is option A, NaAiO2. Option B, H2O. Option C, Ai2O3. Option D, CaSiO3. Right answer is option B, H2O. So moving forward to the last questions of this set. Permanent hardness of water may be removed by the addition of. This is one of the most important questions, so please note it down or take a screenshot. Option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, alum. Option C, potassium permanganate. Option D, lime. So the right answer is option A, sodium carbonate. Next question. Which of the following metals forms an amalgam with other metals? Option A, tin. Option B, mercury. Option C, lead. Option D, zinc. So the right answer is option B, mercury. This is also the important one. So आज के लिए इतना ही. We will come back with another set of general awareness top 50 questions. So please do subscribe and also hit that bell icon. आपके कुछ डाउट्स हो तो आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स कर सकते हो. वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें.